Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, and I'm here to talk about this video for the Income Tax Preparation Online course dealing with some tax reform that's going forward for the 2018 tax season when it comes to the forms and how they've been adjusted and made additional forms available due to the tax reform changes that's about to take place in January of 2019. And so this here form is Schedule 1, part of the 1040, and this is additional income and adjustments. Basically, all they really did was take the 1040 and broke it down into sections and separated it, which made no sense. They could have kept it like they always had it, but it was obvious those politicians had something to do with this, opposed to people in the tax industry, because we never would have made it like this in the first place. So that's the difference between politicians bothering stuff they have no business bother, have no knowledge about, have no experience about. It shows in how they did this. And so this additional income and adjustments to income is basically the 1040 just separated from the original version of the 2017. Because on this one, it shows lines 1 through 9B, then line 10, taxable refunds, credits, and offsets, and state and local income taxes. Line 11 was alimony. Line 12 is business income, Schedule C, profit and loss. So all they did is just rearrange the 1040 itself and took away certain sections of the 1040 and separated them. That's all they did, because this form here would normally be on the front part of the 1040 for 2017. You know what I'm saying? That's the remaining parts of the income section of the 2017 form, and that's the adjusted gross income section that's normally right under it in the first place. So all they really did was just mess this thing all up, because politicians don't know what they're doing when it comes to tax reform and what need to be done and how it need to look. You know what I'm saying? Because they don't take the advice of tax professionals on how this should look like once they finish it. You know, so these are things I got to cover in the next several videos. It's the new tax reform changes that's going forward. But the way you need to look at it, especially if you already got experience in the industry, is that they basically just took the 2017 1040 and broke it up. That's all they did. And so this is Schedule 1, which is income and adjustments. And so the same income and adjustments that you would see on the 2017 1040 front page has just been taken and separated. And so that's what this is all about. So if you're looking for the same information you would find on the 1040 2017 when it comes to income and adjustments, this is the Schedule 1 form for that. And so that's what this is all about when it comes to this form. This is a brief overview. I'll do another video where we'll go in details about it, which we can basically do now, because there's only certain parts of this I'm going to deal with in the basic lesson right now anyway. And so line 11 is an alimony received. 12 is business income and loss from business, self-employed people and small business owners who are not incorporated would use that line. Then we'll do 17 rental income. We'll do 19 unemployment. We'll do 20 was normally Social Security benefits. 21 is other income, which will come off the 1099 miscellaneous line 3. Then when it came to the adjustments, educator expense for teachers who paid out of pocket for certain expenses for classroom, they was able to write off $250 of that if they were itemizing. Then we dealt with moving expenses, people who move from one location to another in order to get a new job. You may qualify for that if they meet other requirements. We deal with self-employment, qualified plans. So for people who strictly work for themselves, they need their own self-employment. They need their own health plans. They need their own retirement plan. So these are the things we cover in the basic training. Self-employed health insurance, you need your own health insurance. For people who pay alimony, they get to write that off to the spouse, who they paid it to. So they ask for the spouse social security number and how much you paid. And then line 33 was student loan interest. So for people who pay back money from student loans, the interest part of it is deductible up to $2,500 based on income. On the 1040, it just, like I said, separated the form. And so that's what this is basically about when it comes to this form, Schedule 1 of the 1040, additional income and adjustments. And so if you got your 1040 form for 2017 in your hand, and you compare it to the screen and what you're looking at, it's the same page, the first page of the 1040 when it comes to income and adjustments. And I'll see you in the next video.